We-call press conference.
Okay, I've got an explanation prepared for the faulty component. When should we present that?
Not at the start. Talk about which models are affected first. Only start talking about the problem once people know the recall isn't for the whole product range.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea.
Unit 1. Listening.
Listening in.
Well, the shareholders are pretty angry, but we need to explain that the product launch was delayed primarily because of the blackout, not human error.
Should we explain the reason for the blackout?
Not at the start. We need to start the meeting in a positive way. We'll only get into the reasons for the problem after we've assured everyone that we can reschedule the launch for next month.
Okay, but you should probably handle that part. 一時停止標識で国道6号を左方向、その後仙台東インター入り口で U ターン。Fielding question. I am the chief engineer, after all.
Thanks. I'll only open the floor for questions once the audience has calmed down. If I get anything technical, I'll hand it straight over to you. Unit 2, Conversation. What are your thoughts on the solar phone project?
I thought that project was good.
Well, but unfortunately yet to be nothing.
What do you mean?
We were aiming at contenders before, but only ones that designed specifically for people looking to upgrade their hurricane kit.
That sounds more feasible. 右方向。その後産業道路を右方向。
Unit 2, Listening.
Listening in. We're thinking about bulking up our preschool range.
Actually, Tooltech contacted us about their new concept range of toys.
That too?
Well, balls that announce how many times you've thrown them, they've been designed specifically to help.
信号で産業道路を右方向。What are you working on for the garden sunshine campaign?
The Space Patrol water slide. It's an inflatable pool and slide, but it has an automated spray and sensor.
A sensor for what?
Well, it only sprays water when you're about to slide down it, so it doesn't need a constant water supply. It's been designed with the more eco-conscious parent in mind.
Listening C.
You mentioned you're developing a battery-powered toolkit.
Yes, but it's still on the drawing board right now.
It sounds a little dangerous. Will parents go for it?
The tools are all plastic and soft rubber. They've been styled to fit in with our existing home helper range for 8 to 10-year-olds.
Actually, now you've said that, I can see a niche for it. Unit 3, Conversation. Presenter, the electricians are here to test the outlets and wall switches.
I thought there was some master range. 信号で右側2車線を走行。その後仙台東インター入り口を曲がって仙台東部道路仙台港インター方面へ。
Unit 3, Listening.
Number 1. The office is here. 右方向。
Gwynton arrived as I was leaving last night to use the meeting room for a rehearsal. They must have turned the thermostat off.
I don't mind them using the room, but I wish they would turn everything off when they go. Is that too much to ask?
Don't worry.